Well, we are revealing in this pandemic situation, we are taking our classes in the multi-varied ways. I don't know whether you like it or not, but we are trying our level best to maintain our communication, academic communication to you. Because no other solution is there. But should have to keep you in touch, and you need to also keep maintain your attachment with us. And this course, compensation management, is almost ended. And now I am taking classes on the revolutionary because we have to continue this course until unless further notification from the National University. And accordingly, though I discussed this earlier, I mean 2 months or 3 months before, regarding the motivation, chapter motivation. Motivation in every sense, motivation is a very important topic for compensation management. Compensation management is to explore your conceptual development. As the way we are teaching you, delivering on lecture, why? It's not the extreme solution for setting up the salary package of workers, employees, or the personnel, those who are working in a certain organization. But is to develop brainstorming of the managers or of the management, not managers but the senior level management, those who settle compensation package, salary packages of the certain organizations, personas. Then some elements are there of motivation. Without motivation, the workers, employees, or even the management or the owners of the organization, if they are not motivated and they will be not interested to perform their duties and responsibilities, what is associated devotion? Obviously, there is goals and objectives. To attain the goals and objectives, all level persons, personas, or even the owners of the organizations need to be motivated. And their motivation depends upon how they are enjoying and getting the benefits and their satisfaction setting through the financial and non-financial practices which is not prevailing in the organization. And so there's some 3 things that here concerned and connected to this complete process. That is the number one, that is the needs. What is the needs? Need to understand what's my need here, why I'm working here, and what's my daily need to mitigate the daily needs and daily challenges in my personal life. At the same time, all other employees' personal life, daily life, family life, and for the senior level persons, there is a concern and connected to their image, their satisfaction, for the goodwill, all these things are there, concerned and connected to not only financial matters are there. And at the same time, when they are working, what is the working atmosphere? If the working atmosphere is not sound and positive, and they will be not that much level inclined or interested of doing their job which is to you satisfaction. And then there is a question of the drives. Drives are generally inner demand, which is the first expression. First need is to have food and shelter like this, and after that, what's the drive? Yes, drive is to extend their demand, extend their need. Yes, after drive, a beautiful shirt, nice livelihood, better support of advanced medical treatment facilities, transportation system, all these things are concerned and connected. And if these things are positively supported and backed up, then after my food and shelter and refection or the medical treatment or any other facilities I am enjoying, and that will support me to develop my friendship with others. That will support me to do or to extend my cooperation with other mechanics, those who are working in the organization. That's the thing. Then the goal, yes, also. what's my goal and objective? Yes, my goal, yes, to attain far better skill and efficiency while I'm working. I need to develop myself, my skill and efficiency for the betterment and development of my career. That's my goal. So, in these three things, these things are very much concerned and connected to the motivation issue. Then, now we have to discuss the importance of intensity of the proper application of motivation. The right of motivation must be applied in the organizational level. If the motivation, both financial and non-financial, is not right way applied in the organization, what would happen? Just we can evaluate the performance. If without motivation, the performance of all performance, productivity and qualitative attainment of the workers and employees within the organization, we will say if the rating is 45, and right way if they are motivated, they are right way, their salary, wages, packages, allowances, and non-financial motivators, say for the medical treatment, housing, or goodwill, good behavior, or extending cooperation and support to the workers and employees for the different types of problems. So, if support is provided to the personnel, and then next, what we see, the performance of the workers and employees or the personnel of the organization may increase. To a great extent, it will be maybe more than 75 to 80%. That may increase. So, this is very important. So, the point is, the achieving objectives. So, obviously, objectives both sides, objectives of the organization, objectives of the individual persons, individual point of view, or the individual personal point of view. Objectives question, very important, very question. So, right way, motivational support backup would satisfy the workers, employees, and as a whole, the organization itself will be able to achieve its objectives. Then increasing the force of work. Here, I am getting salary. In this pandemic situation, I am here delivering my lecture. Why? What is the reason behind it? Because I am very much satisfied with my dearest organization, Mohammadpur Central University College. So I am inclined and very much interested to deliver my lecture. Even the pandemic situation, panic is prevailing everywhere. But I am here. Because I am delivering my lecture, record lecture. So a ceiling fan is not moving. Temperature is very high here. Because I like my job. I love my job. I love my institution. I love you, the students, those who are listening my address and delivery. So that is the question of the satisfaction. So no matter what is the temperature, no air, under this tough situation and tough condition, I am delivering my lecture. Then increasing skill, yes, I am satisfied. I am not worried about future. I am getting handsome salary. Regular classes, there will be increment practices and the other allowances are available for myself. So I am very much interested to do my job. And as a result, I will be quite able to concentrate in my assigned duties and responsibilities with the right way, in a cool brain. Then reducing wastage, yes, as I am working here. So I should not neglect any job, any activities or any issues of my organization, of my manufacturing system or the service development affairs. So my concentration should be there, yes. Not to do wastage of my raw materials, or wastage of my time, or wastage of cost and expenditures as a whole. So this is very much important. If wastage is right way controlled and minimized, that will minimize cost of production. If cost of production is minimized, then that will also affect the sales price. As the sales price is minimized and reduced, so that the ultimate consumers will be very much interested and inclined to purchasing our products. So company will be able to attain its goodwill and image. Then reducing labor turnover, sure. Sure, why not? If workers workforce are available, enjoying right way, if workforce are working right way, because if workforce are getting salary, benefits, allowances, non-financial factors, right way, they will be very much inclined and interested in doing their duties and responsibilities in the right manner. So they will be not at all interested to leave their job because they are working in a very nice organization and the workforce are very much inclined and doing it so very much positively. And what is the hello, Mr. How many 5 minutes? Okay. So labor will not leave the organization and they will be not intended to go or to join any other organizations because my organization is fine. I am here. This is my organization. I am doing it fine. No problem. Then establishing cordial industrial relations, yes. If I am getting handsome salary, my promotion is there, annual increment is there, I am getting regular allowances and incentives, the packages. At the same time, turnover is there at a minimum stage. Authorities are very much well mannered and they are very much cooperating. And anytime any problem in terms of my service, in terms of my working hour, then and there, they have to extend their cooperations or to cooperate with or to help in doing my job right way in the right manner. So there will be a very good relationship established between the owner and employee and employer. That is the most important thing. If the relationship between the employee and employer is very congenial, well fine, then no problem. Overall performance of the organization will increase to a great extent. And so, highest level of satisfaction may prevail both sides, both for the workers and for the employers. Then organizational development will right way, all the things are going on. All the practices are going on in the right way, and right practices are going on. The management is fine, workers, employees are fine, manufacturing is fine, cost is minimized, wastage is controlled. Yeah, right quantity, right quality, right quality, and all these things are as part of the right design which is developed and formulated so that overall performance of the organization may increase and the organizational development fine. Each and every turn, each and every manufacturing schedule after their performance will develop to a great extent and image of the organization will be exploding not only within the country but it may be explored outside the country also worldwide. Then creating positive morality. Yeah, we are working there. This is the family. This institution is a family. We are working here for manufacturing quality, good quality service, achieving quality service, minimizing cost, controlling wastage, and to manufacture the goods or services as per the earlier designed, as per the design. So this may create a potential morality. So all the guys, all including even the lower level employee to the senior most level employee, everybody may think this is my organization. This is my organization. We are a member of family. This is a family, right? Then the increasing mobility. I think all these things are fine. That mobility will develop. My productivity will increase. Our productivity will increase. In the state of manufacturing, we will manufacture 125 units per hour. In the state of manufacturing, 100 units per hour. Then achieve job satisfaction. Yeah, sure. I am myself is here satisfied in this Mohammadpur Central University College. Here I am serving last 26 years. Here I am satisfied because each and every year there is a fine development, honest way development, financial development. I am getting increment each and every year. I am promoted regularly. So my intention and satisfaction here continuing. proper utilization of human resources. Well, I will say more than 500 workers are working here in this factory. In that point, if the relationship between the employer and employee is fine, so they should have a very nice working atmosphere, and employer must have to think for the better attainment, for the highest level performance attainment. They will arrange for the regular training program, and their training program will more accelerate the workforce to be the highest quality in the concert manufacturing system within the country or above. That is the concept. And then increasing performance of each and every employee will be with a good performance, just like Maradona. Yeah, they will work the level best. They will to concentrate their each and every attention with devotion. What to do, yes, where to here manufacture the right quality, right product, right time, as per the design, with building more image, become more imageful. Then the development of the standard of living, yes, all these things are going on fine. The workers and employees are working here regularly in the systematic manner as per the design, at the right point, at the right time. So what would happen? The workers and employees will be given the higher payment and the financial benefits. And higher payment and financial benefits so that their standard of living will develop. Workers and employees will be much as they are inclined and interested to do their duties and responsibilities, sincerity and devotion. This would create chance, to explore yourself, explore the organization, image, goodwill of that organization. Countrywide, not only countrywide, but if it's export-oriented industry, then worldwide. So, your students, thank you very much. This is evening. I'm ending this within 5 minutes. Holy Azan will be started. Thank you very much. Best of luck.